If I were to describe the dancing frog habitat in one word, I would actually choose two. I would say inner peace, because I think a place like dancing frog habitat would actually help me achieve my inner peace. Hi, my name is Debabrata, and I'm a computer science engineer by profession. The best I feel, at peace with myself when I'm with nature. And, the way I express that is through my hobby of doing creative wildlife photography. So I think that gives me a lot of joy, just being out there in nature and trying to sort of document how light engages with these subjects. This is something that I have wondered often. What are we leaving to our, future generations? Of course, I think, planet Earth will adapt itself, whatever you throw at planet Earth, but it will come at a cost. So we have really two choices in front of us. Either we can, keep doing more and more of whatever we are doing with, ever increasing want and greed that we have and keep burdening planet Earth, or we can try and do something meaningful to start conserving nature. And now nature conservation can happen in many ways. Of course, we have great examples in which both individuals and groups have worked with the government, have worked with the system to conserve nature. That's a great way to go about it. Also, I feel, the dancing frog way is yet another, great way to go about this. I think it's important to look at land as a collective. When you break land into smaller and smaller fragments, I think, the attachment for your own land increases. It becomes my boundary versus your boundary. It becomes, my need on my land versus your need on your land. So I think it's important to sort of, remove, get more and more away from that attachment, but get attached to the cause. Why are you doing this? You're doing this for conservation. So it's important to get more attached to the cause. And I feel the equity-based investment that Dancing Frog has is a great way of furthering that attachment to the cause and moving away from the attachment to the land. The Dancing Frog habitat is an amazing 70-acre pristine environment. I immediately sort of felt connected with myself, with nature when I went there. And it's sort of preserved in a very undisturbed way, with the stream flowing, and the forests, fungi, the small flora and fauna that we saw, all of that together was just an amazing experience where I could just get lost in nature. First, getting access to 70 acres of private forest land in a place like Coorg, getting access to it and then conserving that for our future generations, I think that is a big thing.